All right, we're here at Disneyland. I'm here with Dan and a few others. Hi, Dan.
Hey.
Well, we're here in our whites because it's LA Fleet Week, but we have to go everywhere in our white uniforms. But I figured I'd still come to Disney and probably Universal the next few days, so let's get in the park and see what's going on. In case you're wondering, if you do have military in your family or you happen to be military yourself, you can buy the military special ITT tickets here at the booths in the park. Now, fun fact, you haven't been in 3 years?
Nope.
And you've never been?
I've been to World, but not Land.
It's been to World, but not Land. So this is their first time coming to Disneyland, so we're gonna make sure we do it right. I see Ariel walking up. We see mermaids all the time. Perfect. All right, it looks like they've got the fall set up here, getting ready for Halloween. Not much. There it is. Happy Halloween. You got that. I was just telling the guys, it seems really thin today. It's nice. Look at Adventureland. Have you ever seen the opening this peaceful? I love it. I love it. We're going to head into Batu because two of these guys have never been in there. So we took a pit stop to Indiana Jones because there's only a 10-minute wait. It's 10 o'clock in the morning and there's an actual only 10-minute wait. What's going on? So not only is the most congested area of the park really empty, but if we come across here, here's Pirates. Literally no line if you go on the right side, and just people walking in from the left. This is incredible. We got a pirate band. Uh-oh. Oh no, they think we're not gonna report you guys. You're okay.
We're not the
He's
Royal
hiding.
Navy.
Yeah. So it looks like the dress shop out here, they have a new Haunted Mansion dress. Just in time to celebrate its anniversary. So we're walking by the Haunted Mansion and everyone around me is in tears because they can't ride it. Look at that, yeah. But I realize why it's closed. Because they're making the Nightmare Before Christmas Haunted Holiday. And it takes a long time to overhaul it. So we're looking forward for it to reopen. September 6th. September 6th is the day. So I'd like to point out, Merrick here is a huge fan of Star Wars. So he's flipping out at the X-Wing, A-Wing. Ray's walking away from us. Story. Hello. We're not like the First Order.
So you're wearing a lot of white?
Yes.
You're not stormtroopers?
No.
Did you all come in from what planet did you come in from?
Earth.
Earth. How
A
far is
vessel.
that?
Not as far as you think.
A little less than 12 parsecs.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, it's good to see you all here. What is to meet all of you?
Yeah.
Jackson, I'm Ray.
Dan.
Dan.
Merrick.
Merrick. Is that right? Did I say it right? And you are?
Brad.
Brad. So good to see all of you. Are you planning to fly anything today?
Maybe.
We heard they needed some pilots to fly this junky ship out there.
Well,
You've flown in it though before, haven't you?
my junkie ship.
It is now. Oh,
Calling names.
it's great. It's great.
No, it's actually.
Something kind of funny. We're getting stopped left and right because of what we're wearing. People are like thinking we're with, the First Order or we're stormtroopers. So it makes it a little more fun here in Galaxy's Edge, walking around like this. Hello.
Perimeter zones. Didn't we see you at a recruitment assembly?
Yeah, we said yes. That's why we're trying to get what you asked.
Changed your mind.
No, not at all.
Be happy to change it back.
Okay.
We're good.
Excuse me, traveler. Mind telling us what you're doing with that data pad?
It's a transmission. I'm talking to Kylo Ren. He wants to know how you all are doing out here, so I'm reporting to him.
We have to find those resistance guys.
Yeah.
Stay alert.
Will do.
We're counting on you.
Will do.
Frequencies.
Will do.
Yeah.
Good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoy the day.
You too.
Thanks.
Looks like they have more sabers in stock. I see Mace Windu, Asajj, Luke, Darth Maul.
Which one's Mace Windu?
Mace Windu's is this one right here.
The one on the end?
No, the one next to it.
Oh.
This one is Obi-Wan. Uh-oh, they got Obi-Wans. Any luck dodging the First Order? I've seen them around today.
You know, apparently they're doubling up their patrols, but luckily for us, they're not hired based off their brains, right?
That's fair.
They're
Yeah,
really
they
easy to outsmart.
Yeah, they
and
really
they
are.
have terrible hand-eye coordination.
What's your role in the Resistance?
I'm General Gunna's top spy.
All right.
I'd like to say I'm her favorite spy.
There's a book coming out.
Pops
Well, I
by, huh?
hope that intel doesn't get in first order.
We'll make sure not to tell anyone.
Keep it safe,
In
right?
fact, we're going off-world, so that way nobody knows.
Perfect. Keep up your training, alright? I feel like my position might be compromised. I got 2 troopers right over there.
Oh, you better
We'll
get out of
split
here.
up
They're
our
coming.
missions. We'll cover
All right,
our ground
good luck.
this way. Till the
Looks like Rainbow Ridge is this way. That's where they're headed. I sure hope we don't go into a blasting area. Time to go on some pirates. Yeah. Looks like there's some work being done out here in front of Tomorrowland. Wonder what it's gonna be. The good news is it's back to being random on Star Tours. This guy, who's never been to Disneyland at all, got to be the Rebel Spy. That's not fair. I've never ever been the Rebel Spy, but you know, it's whatever. Yeah, if we go on it enough, maybe they'll pick all of us because we're all wearing white uniforms. I was just telling them how I've never seen anyone actually pull the sword up, but since he became the Rebel Spy on his first time ever at Disneyland, maybe he can pull the sword up. Hey, you got it. You got it.
Put some stank on it.
No, he's not lucky. Nope, you're not meant to be king. Pretty clear shot of the castle today. The horsey's out. It's the backside of Walt and Mickey. Dun, dun, dun. I'm waiting in the Starbucks for a drink, but I'm noticing this library in the corner. Never really gave it much attention, but it's really nice back here. And on a calmer day like this, you could really take advantage and absorb all the little details. We're heading out of Disneyland Park into California Adventure. You see they've got some stuff set up for the Halloween party that's going to be happening over here this year. First, it's unusual coming right off into California Adventure. The whole trolley stop is closed off. Probably doing some work on the trolley itself, or maybe the track, I would assume. All right, got a Walt Scotch Mist, because we're in Carthay. You got the same thing, and your face says it's strong, right? Yeah, it is very strong. It's Johnny Walker Black, crushed ice. What about you? What'd you get, Zim?
I got the Ace Pineapple Cider.
Okay. Are you having fun at Disney for your first time?
Very enjoyable.
I hope this is picking up the audio. It's not the best. And Dan, well, there's Dan. Loves his beer.
It's a Carl Strauss Red Trolley Ale.
That's fitting for this park because it's there's a San Francisco themed area around the corner.
Yeah.
Looks like they have a lot of new special monthly ears out. Got the Betsy Johnson headband. That one's $58. And the Haunted Mansion 50th anniversary. This one's $78. They also have Tiki Room ears. These ones are actually kind of neat. And again, it's the full hat. I like the little idol on top. See you in the Tiki Room. And these are $58. Yeah! Oh, look! Star-Lord likes us.
Hey, you, what the heck is that thing?
I'm recording.
Oh, wow. And you got my permission?
It's like, yeah, I'm making a video.
Are you making a video?
It's kind of like a cassette tape.
You're feeling the beat of ELO, right?
Oh, yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. What do you guys do? Just sail boats?
That's exactly what we do.
It's exactly what you do.
Nailed it.
It's all right. You sail
sail
ships
boats.
and I sail ships. We got something in common.
Your ship looks more fun, though.
Ah, yeah, it's all right. We got a ragtag group of people. We don't have like a standard uniform code or anything like that. But you know, we got. I see you got some insignias. I got an insignia right here.
Want to trade?
Yeah, right. I think you earned those more than I did, bro. I stole this thing, man.
Oh, that's cool.
It's all right.
So who's the captain? You were Rocket. I see you guys fighting.
Well, Thor likes to think he's captain.
So who is it?
Well, it's definitely me. I'm the thinner one, so obviously it's me.
Yeah, you've done good for yourself
Well, you know,
lately.
I own a Bowflex now, so I'm pretty fit. I'm pretty well off.
I hear those are cutting edge.
They are cutting edge, and so are my abs.
Controls me with its telepathic control. It makes me dance like a chicken.
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid!
Not so
You're home now.
I've never seen that one. So all that construction that was being done to the right of Award Wieners is the true entrance to Filler Magic. So you see they have that here now. It's no longer over on the side, even though you can still enter from that side over there. Just telling these guys, I've never seen this on the menu here. It's probably been here for a while, but this lava dog and lava fries sound really good. I'll tell you what, if it wasn't for these white uniforms, we would absolutely be on Grizzly River Run today, because it is hot. Look at how short Incredicoaster is. This is amazing. I feel like you guys aren't as excited as I am. But we need to kill time. What better way than Jesse's Critter Carousel? We're here in the Lamplight Lounge for some appetizers and drinks. What did you get? I'm excited for him to try them because that's one of my favorite things here. You got the
Lobster nachos.
and you got the
Potato skin.
yeah, so a little bit of appetizers here. We will resume once they are out. Lobster nachos and potato skins. This is really neat. He's got an infinity fizz. I wonder how long it does that. Till the dry ice runs out. This is awesome because they have a brand new car here. At least I've never seen Cruz Ramirez with the Dynaco paint job. It even shimmers. She's shimmering. I feel like I keep saying this, but the crowds are so short today. This is the single rider line for Radiator Springs. We walked right in, and we're already in the main section. One of the guys here graciously brought us a plate of treats. Looks like we have some jelly beans, some gummy bears, M&M minis. I haven't seen those in forever. Some pops. Don't know what they're filled with yet. Macaroons on a popsicle. Fantastic. Pretzel, chocolate dip pretzels. And then over here, plate of strawberries. Those are big. Put your hand next to that strawberry.
That's
so
a big strawberry.
Look at that white. Yeah, that white one's huge. So I probably didn't explain where we were, but we were at Hearthstone Lounge temporarily. And now we're out at Downtown Disney to get dinner. Alright, so we just got out of the void. I told these guys that the Star Wars Secrets of the Empire was incredible.
It was awesome.
How was it?
It was great. The best
One of the-
highlight of the day.
One of the best experiences I've ever done.
Yeah.
So
Especially for Disney.
I keep telling people that it is amazing. It is the best thing. It's a $34.99 charge. Worth it?
Oh, absolutely worth it.
You could pay $50 if you worth it.
I'd do it again.
Yeah. It is incredible. It is such a good time. So make sure, if you're here and you love Star Wars, don't pass it up. Go to the Void. If they're doing Secrets of the Empire, go for it. The Electrical Light Parade is back at Disneyland. The Main Street Electrical Parade. The most impressive part, look at all this walkway.
Open the barrel car.
This is take 2 of attempting to be pilots. Last time we got gunner and engineers. All of us did. But we're trying again. Close to park closing. See if we have better luck. We're pretty excited because we're all here. And Merrick and I finally got pilot after a million times. How excited are you guys?
Pretty excited.
We did this earlier, but we got all the cool positions for once. It's pretty awesome.
I'm so excited.
This is his dream. He loves Star Wars a lot. I mean, I do too, but we're going to try and fly this thing together. We'll see how that goes. This is what fireworks look like from Batuu, and it is incredible. Fireworks from Batuu. We're here making lightsabers. It's really cool though because they give you a pin. So it kind of goes with all the real stuff. But I got protection and defense down there. Which one did you get?
Power and something, dark side one basically.
And you got nature and elemental nature. So yeah, we'll go in there and see what it's like.
We bring back all of this precious artifacts for you. If a stormtrooper were to walk in, all of this, everything, would look like junk.
Choosing Kyber crystals.
Very good. Right here, please. Great selection.
Green.
I know there's many pieces in front of you. Don't worry. We're going to be going over them shortly.
Here's what I've gone with.
Once you're ready to activate, this right here is going to be
Very
yours.
good.
Alright, we're in Oga's, and I always get the Monterey wine, teal colored white red wine. You two got the beer. This one? Gold Squadron Ale. White Wild Ale. Fuzzy Tauntaun.
Fuzzy Tauntaun.
Also another fantastic drink.
Very good.
DJ Rex is going a little crazy right now.
We're heading out. We got into Oga's Cantina again with no reservations on the day that Galaxy's Edge opens in Orlando, Florida.
That's it.
All right, so we just got done with a long,
What, 13 hours?
we're almost 13, 14 hours
Yeah,
Disneyland
13
and
hours
dress
in
flights.
Disney. Easy.
So for you, your first time, what did you think?
I thought it was a great experience. I loved every minute of it.
Good answer.
So, first experience at Batu, Outspire Outpost. Amazing. Lightsaber building experience, amazing. The Void at Downtown Disney.
Do it.
Yeah, great day at Blackspire Outpost.
Speaking of which, I don't know if I mentioned, but you get pins depending on the lightsaber you get. He's wearing it like it's a
Oh yeah. Video
vlog.
It was a
Dan,
great.
you come all the time.
Oh yeah, it was a great time.
Good
Probably
night.
one of my favorite Disney experiences. I don't want to say a downside, but you know, coming with your family all the time and then coming alone, it makes you miss them even more. However, coming with your
It
friends.
sounds like you didn't enjoy it.
I did. I enjoyed
Wow.
it, but coming with your friends
You
is
didn't
even
like
better
that.
because
You
like
didn't
it's,
have fun.
I don't know. It's like you get to
Okay.
do things that you don't might not get to do with kids, you know. But I got to build a lightsaber, which is totally awesome, and do some virtual reality experience, which is my first of all time, and it was amazing, absolutely amazing.
Well, there you go. There's your opinion from a few Navy guys on coming to Disneyland. So it's always a good time. That's going to do it. See you all next time, and thank you all for watching.